Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. So far, we're still in this area here with Bitcoin. Listen, first of all, we want to just get this out of the way. Bitcoin runs the whole market, runs all the altcoins, everything that we want. Me personally, I like Solana, I like Cardano, I like Matic, Ethereum. They can produce right now bigger gains than Bitcoin. So when things start to break out, of course, I love Bitcoin. It's still my number one. But when things like to break out, we like to kind of trade those other altcoins. That's what I'm trying to do right now. So let's get this clear. But we always, the Bitcoin chart determines all that, right? Because if you look where Bitcoin's at right now, nothing's moving. Cardano is not moving. Matic's not moving. Solana, they're all dead right now. They've been dead for hours. They had their runs earlier, but they've been dead for hours. I mean, if you go back, I mean, we can check even 4-hour candles. It's just trading sideways for what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're on 6 4-hour candles and we're down. Okay. Like, I mean, so it's just been nonstop trading sideways and a little bit of downside. So that's where we're at with Cardano. Sorry, I was looking at another monitor. I should have pulled it up on here. I'm sorry about that, guys. But Bitcoin's going to run the show, right? So we got to chart Bitcoin because we know if Bitcoin breaks out or breaks down, that the other coins are going to produce better gains. So we can get into Ethereum, or if you guys have access to Cardano or Matic or Solana or any of these other Polkadot, these are going to be good trades as well. So this is what we're trying to do. I just want to get that out of the way, and I also want to get out of the way that everything I say is just my opinion. I am not a financial advisor. So this is just for educational purposes only. Okay, so we got all that out of the way. I know, I'm sorry about that. But this is where we are in the chart. Now, the reason I'm making this video is because I like Carl from the Moon. He seems like a good guy. Don't know him personally. He does YouTube. But I just watched one of his videos, guys, and he just said he was going long up here, guys. He was longing the top. Now, if you watch my previous videos, actually the one I just did earlier today, I said, hey, you still bought here and you're still here and you're going up here. This is where I'm selling. Okay? I'm selling right here. I'm not taking a chance of it breaking back down. I'm selling right here. And I also told you that on the 4-hour, I know this moving average doesn't mean that much, okay? But this is the 100 on the 4-hour. And I said this will block us it's blocking us as defense on this first candle. I think this is where we were at before. So I wanted to make a video like, hey, we're up at the top, guys. This is where I'm taking profit. If I'm in a trade, I'm taking profit. Now here, we're going back down now. And look at it. It's blocking us a little bit, right? And I also drew this trend line in my video and said, hey guys, look, this was my past video. I drew this trend line. Sorry, I was going to do a fork trade. But what am I doing? I was about ready to draw something else. I said in my last video, this line right here. And I said, hey, when we went up here, because we bought here, I sold here, because look at this negative divergence right here. I mean, look at this divergence. To me, this is like defense, right? Boom, boom, boom. Where are we going? Okay. So then I drew this up because these are the little moves inside the moves. Okay. So now if this breaks down, we can retest here, maybe go here, maybe come up, retest and go, or this thing could just break down. But you don't want to take a trade right here. Carl from the Moon, I sent him a thing. I said, what is this? This is not how you trade. This is not how you trade. You do not take a long at the top of the move. I'm sorry. That's irritating. And no disrespect. He does a lot of great videos. It's just I've never seen any. That's not technical analysis. This is not what you guys, I'm here to try to teach you guys some things, because this is not only saved my life, but it's helped my life dramatically. So this is something that you just don't do, okay? You want to wait for confirmation. If you're going to wait this long, right? Wait for the damn confirmation and go. Why would you buy right here and hope that it breaks? And then it broke down. And then I think it stopped him out, because he said he had a, I think his stop out was what, 37,400? And look where it went down to. I mean, come on. Something like that. I don't know. I can't exactly remember what price he said he was putting his stop, or 37, 400 or whatever it was, but I'm pretty sure that's what it was. But anyways, you just don't take a trade at the top of the move and then say, oh, if it breaks, I'm going to go for it, right? No, it's not what you do. This is an easy thing right here, guys. Look what we're doing. This is an easy thing. I drew up these lines on the 4 hour on my earlier video I did today. You guys go check that out. Okay. We drew these lines, and you can check out, especially with, and maybe I'll touch on that too. Just if you guys haven't seen my other video, but I'll touch on it a little bit too, but you guys should definitely watch it. But I drew this trend, and I said, hey, if we break down here, we're going to go here. Okay. That didn't happen. We ended up here. I said, hey, take profits. And if we break this trend, then most likely we're going to come down here, okay? We're going to be down here. And guess what? Matic and Cardano and Ethereum is all going to follow with it, okay? So we're going to buy this stuff cheaper. And ideally is you buy it here, okay? I don't know why I keep it over there, but it's a habit. But you buy here, because then you wait for a little bounce. Okay, make sure you don't get rejected at this support. Okay, you want to make sure you break this. But then you can put your stop like right under here, guys. And this is not a big risk. Okay? Then you can get, this is where, I mean, if I was going to make a trade, this is where you would do something like this, at the 3,500, and everything else would be cheaper, right? Because then if you know it's breaking down, you're going to get stopped out, but you got a low percentage on all your trades. You're looking at 1 to 2% tops. So that's a better trade to me. This is stupid. So, and we're going to look at the daily real quick, guys. And I want to emphasize this because this is very important here. Oh, and I'll go back to the 4 hours. I'll show you what the possibilities are if things, but let me just look at this, guys. We'll just forget about that. Okay. This is where we're at. We're going to erase this deadline because that doesn't matter on the hour. Now, like I said earlier, for you guys have not seen my previous videos, okay? I said earlier, first look at this divergence. Ugh. So let's see if it keeps going. But first of all, we have to fight this 20. This is the 20-day moving average. This is going to be a battle, guys. Now, if the red crosses and this crosses, that's actually a bullish thing, but the candles have to be up there, first of all. Second of all, we got to get past this. And then third of all, we got the 200-day right here in green, okay? So when everybody thinks we're coming out of this triangle and everybody's happy, guess what happens, guys? This is strong resistance right here. This could turn into resistance. People don't realize that these moving averages can make resistance. This can scare people away. This could cause a drop back into the pattern, and down we go. And I don't think anybody's talking about that, but this is a possibility, guys, for a big fake out there. So you got to be aware of this. You got to be aware of this. It's a 200-day moving average. I mean, come on. Think about that, guys. This is a big moving average, okay? Then, of course, we got the 50 up here. We got the 100 up here. And then this is our zone again, right? Okay? We're in the upper zone here. Okay? On the 4 hour, something more like this, okay? We're in this zone. This will be our first target. This will be our first short-term target if we break out of here, this area. Then we go up here, okay? But right now, guys, wait, please, please, please. Wait for these moves. Wait for something. Okay, I erased that line. Okay, didn't I? Yes, I did. All right, so I have my line like this, right? We had it like this earlier. All right, wait for this to break down. Okay, this is the trend. Trend is always your friend. Okay, wait for it to break down, then see where we're at. Okay, then look for a move. Don't buy the top of this. If you're gonna do that, wait for it to break out and wait for the retest. Okay. Because guess what? For confirmation, for a stronger move, so maybe we don't have to worry about those moving averages. So because we're going to hit, because the daily, I forget, it's like right around 40,000 or something like that, or the 200 day, I'm sorry. I should be doing this on the daily, but whatever. You know, we can hit that 200 and then come back down and then retest. And then if we retest, that's the stronger of the move right here. So if you jump in this, you might end up back down here anyway. So you wait for this. Okay? So you buy right here, and guess what? Ends up being a little bit lower, a little lower down the line. We're going down the line. So always wait for the retest. I just wanted to make this video because sometimes I just get a little frustrated because I'm out here trying to help, especially people that watch my videos. Right now, this is as basic as my charts, besides all the crazy moving averages everywhere. But I was trying to give you guys a point on the daily, okay? Yeah, it's 41,000. What did I do? I did 40. Oh, no, I did close up here. But anyways, it was a guess because I knew it was around this area. But we don't want to come up here, get rejected. And if we do, and we bounce here, there's a strong possibility, yeah, we'll get past this. And we'll go up to that 48 region. So, guys, don't trade at the top of the moves. It's just too risky. Just you wait. I mean, you're not waiting. I mean, God, geez, that's just over. That's over trading, guys. You start over trading in this game, you're gonna lose more than you're gonna win. That's just the bottom line. Sometimes the best thing you can do is sit on your freaking hands. All right? I'm doing this because I want people to learn what I learned because this has changed my life. And I want it to change other people's lives too. And that's why I do these videos. Okay? That's the only reason. Now, I wish, it frustrates me because I see someone like this Carl from the Moon. He deserves it. He's been doing it for a long time. No, I'm not hating on him. But to get 55,000 views, and I got like, I don't even know what I got, 40-something, 50-something, which that's fine. I hope anybody. But it's frustrating when, you see something like that. You see 55,000 people taking a trade at the top of the move, and then it's gone down since then. So if they would have waited, they would have got it cheaper. It's just, oh, gosh. And I know he did it on I think he did it on what was it? Coming out of this move. Oh, it broke here. We're coming out. Now look, they came all the way back down here. He did something like this in a ribbon. Look, and it's a big sell. I mean, I'm getting sell across the board, okay? The averages are not looking good right here. Now, I can do this for you guys because not everything was looking too bad here. If we look at, well, actually, this doesn't look great. Weakness here. This is coming down. This is a 4-hour. No, it's not looking good. I apologize. Okay. Let's look at the daily. Maybe that's what I was looking at earlier. Okay. Well, I mean, not looking the greatest there. I mean, it's in an uptrend. This is kind of flirting around. This is just kind of nothing. It's not really telling us anything. This still looks okay. Right? Oops, wrong indicator. Let's see. Let's see what's happening. I mean, we're doing good here. I could just tell by the bars, so I don't really need to look at this. The bars will tell you the move first. Okay, we're coming up here. It's what it is. It's low. So, I mean, there's a possibility on the daily more move to the upside. But short term, we could see a little downside and then a go. So just bottom line is, just my point is, just don't go long at the top of the moves, guys. Jesus Christ. Oh, that it just bothers me because like what what if 55,000 people took this trade and lost this trade? That's devastating. It really is. It's devastating. And Carl knows better than this. I can't believe he posted the video. So, and no disrespect. He seems like a really nice kid. I just, I don't know why you would tell someone to long at the top of the move. If anything, you wait for the move, okay? Or you look for lower prices. I mean, come on, guys. I know there's a thing like where like you want to be bullish and you just want to be excited, you want to make money, but you just gotta be real sometimes with yourself and just go neutral. Okay, this could go either way. If you let yourself get too bullish, you're gonna make mistakes like that. Okay, and I'm not saying it could go up from here. I'm not saying that. The daily looks good, but I'm just saying even short term it could go down, but it's just too risky right here because it can go down. It could go down here. So just be aware, guys. Just be safe out there. Try not to overtrade. I'm just giving you these updates. Watch my previous video earlier today if you want, or any of my videos. You know, I initially started this channel because even though it was at like 38,000, but I do have proof that, I was talking about 60 and 65 being the top. I've got charts I've sent to buddies. I've got things that I posted on other accounts. So, I was calling 65 the top. People were making fun of me. I said, we're going back down to, 30, 20, 30 grand. And then people weren't having it. And I was calling it. But I didn't have any real proof of it on YouTube or anything, right? Yeah, I have some things that I sent to people and, some old charts, but I wanted to make a YouTube video because when it was like dropping down to like 38,000, or it was like 38 or 39 or 40 grand, people were saying, buy it. This is the dip. And then we dropped to 32. And that's when I made my video of this is not done yet, guys. I didn't want people buying at 40 grand. When I knew it was going, it's always going to retest. Listen, as fast as it goes up is as fast as it comes back down. And it's always going to retest that area. Okay? So when it went up to 30, when it went down to 30 grand, I knew it was going to go to 31, 32,000. It was going to come back down. So I made this channel because I was just so frustrated with some of these YouTubers that have a lot of subscribers that were saying these things, and people follow these trades. And I'm sitting there thinking, this is disastrous. These people are losing money. That's not how you trade, guys. So listen, if you like my content, please follow my Twitter. It's Moondog Trading 1. Okay, Moondog Trading 1. And you can find my YouTube channel on there as well. I have a Moondog Trading channel. And you could always go to my Twitter. There's a link there, Moondog Trading 1. But please like and subscribe to my YouTube. I'd really appreciate it. I just want to feel like I'm getting out there to more people because I want to do this for a lot of people to learn. And we're going to get more into charting too as well as I go. I'm just trying to keep it basic because I want to keep it basic because I know a lot of you guys are still learning. And it's easy sometimes to keep it basic. So just please please subscribe. This is all I'm asking for is some love. So I feel like I'm doing these charts and I'm not just doing it for myself or, for a couple of my family members or something. I love all you guys. Much love, everybody. I hope everybody has a great night. I know it's late. I got to get to bed. I mean, I got to get at least 2 or 3 hours of sleep here. The life of a trader. All right. Well, love you guys. Peace out. Thanks for watching my videos. Have a blessed night.